Hey guys, and welcome to another lot of Cisco questions, and today will be all about using debug commands. Very quick one today, only a few questions, so let's have a look. Cell 463, which of the following commands is recommended to disable debugging? We've got no debug IP all, no debug IP nat, no debug IP rip, and no debug all. If you want to disable debugging altogether, D, no debug all. 464, you're troubleshooting problems with RIP and suspect that your router is no longer receiving RIP updates. What command would you use to help diagnose the problem? So we've got debug IP RIP, debug all, no debug all, or show interfaces. Okay, RIP. That would make sense for A, debug IP RIP. Makes sense. 465, you would like to view the details of all the packets sent or received by the router. What command would you use? We've got debug IP RIP, debug IP route, debug IP OSPF, debug IP packet. Packet sent receive. Alright. Well, it makes sense to go D, debug IP packet, because that's what it wants to do. And that's it. Longest session of all time. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe away, like the video. Really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next one.